Welcome back, everyone. This is Dylan, and right now we are going to start a new series. It's going to be modding Minecraft, and this episode we're going to start off with the setup for MCP, and then later on we'll get into adding blocks and more complicated stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. So in order to mod, you have to have a folder. So start off by making a folder, just any random folder, and call it MCP, and then whatever. I'm going to name it MCP tutorial just because this is the tutorial. I already have one down here. Okay, now the first thing that you're going to need to do is go to download MCP, the newest version. So right here you can find MCP 1.3.2. I'll have all the links for these websites in the description, so just keep an eye out for that. So you need MCP, which I already have, I'm pretty sure, in the downloads. Let me just go to the downloads. MCP right here. Just gonna drag it out. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to Eclipse, which is like the writing, where you write the code for the Java. So right here in this thing, and then basically if you're not on Windows, if you're on Mac, you basically switch it to Mac, and then you can get 64-bit, 32, so on and so forth. You download that, which I already have, as you can see at the bottom. Actually, let me close this. Sorry, that's something else. It's my other modding stuff. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is you need Java download kit. I think that's what it's called. Development kit, that's what it's called. And you also need Java runtime environment. So basically you click on it and then it takes you to a page where you can like get through here, like this is 32-bit, this is 64-bit. Basically download it. Download both of them. So the JRE too. And same thing. The offline? Online. I don't know what the difference is there. But once you've gotten that, you need to go and you need to download ModLoader. So I'll just download it right now. Well, that was quick. Go like this. Let me just take it and let me put it here. Oh, never mind, I already have it out. Okay, cancel. So I have these two. Okay, so now once you have that and you've created your tutorial folder, you are going to want to go to your MCP and you're going to want to extract to, you'll need WinRAR for this, WinRAR. You need to extract to, find your folder, so MCP tutorial, click OK, it's extracting to it. Now if you open up this, you should have all these files. Let me make this medium icons. Okay, there, now see you have all these. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go to your your .minecraft folder. So I have it on my favorites, but in order to get there, if it's not, you basically go to the search bar and you type in %app data %. Oh, did I not do a % at the beginning? Wow, that was awkward. Okay, %app data. I can't type. %, and then it'll be under your roaming, and then the .minecraft. So basically, once you're here, you need to copy your bin and your resources folder, and then you need to copy it and place it into your jars inside the MCP tutorial. So there should be a folder called jars, and you just paste it inside there. And then next you can close this down. Before you put it into the jars folder, make sure that you go to your Minecraft and make sure that it has no mods on it, nothing, just like plain thing. So if you want, force an update and like run it and stuff so that it re-downloads like the newest version of Minecraft. Make sure that's done. I'll just close this. I don't really care about that. Now once you're inside your MCP folder, make sure in your jars, in your bin, oh gosh, what did I do? Okay, anyways, you're not actually supposed to have this or this. Frig. Okay, delete this. I did something very stupid here, sorry guys. Delete this. You guys won't have this, don't worry. This and this. Delete, delete. Yes. Okay, basically you want to make sure that you guys have the J input, the LW JGL, you need to have the LW JGL underscore util, the MD5S, the Minecraft jar, and the version. Make sure you have those 6 files, and then basically inside the jar you need to open it with your WinRAR, and you want to close this. You want to delete your meta-inf, delete that. Then you want to go into your mod loader, and you want to copy all the files, so Control A, and just drag them over, then click OK, drag it, and then once you have done that, you want to go into the MCP file, get rid of these, MCP file, and then basically there's this thing called decompile, which should be right here, and this basically decompiles your jar file and everything. So right now it's just decompiling everything so that you can write the code over it and stuff. So this shouldn't take too long. It's just unpacking the jar right now, copying the classes. Eventually, like, the next tutorial will probably be blocks and then items, but like I'll eventually have ore generation, maybe like if you want to have your own flowers or your own biome and stuff like that, I'll may like get to having those like further on. Still decompiling. Come on, could be quicker than this. Wow, maybe your computers will be faster. But yeah, here I can close all these. But yeah, these will be in the description, so just look below and you'll find them all. Still decompiling. Okay. Still decompiling. By the way, to all of you, happy Thanksgiving if you're in Canada. If not, then US, happy early Thanksgiving, I guess. Okay, come on, decompiling, let's go. Hurry up and decompile, please. Oh, it's copying sources. Okay, it's almost done. And errors found, 2 out of 2 hunks ignored. What? Okay, whatever, I don't understand what those errors are. But now it's just recompiling. Okay. Hurry up, please. There. NET key to continue. So now once you have this, you want to go find the Eclipse folder. You should have Eclipse folder in your MCP thing. And then when you go in here, see the address bar. If you click on it, it'll get the link to the address bar, and then if you copy it, you'll need to have it for the workspace. So once you open up your Eclipse, it should load, and it should prompt you to put in a workspace. If not, I'll show you what to do. So you just wait for it to load. Right now this is my other thing. So if you go to File, Switch Workspace, sorry, go Other, and then basically in here you paste what you had here. So go Control V, paste that in, and then OK. It should restart your Eclipse. There's just a few things like in Eclipse that I'm going to want you guys to do so that it would be easier for you to follow the tutorials that I have. Okay, so first thing is up at the top, see how we're in this perspective? I want you guys to go to Window, Open Perspective, and then go to Java, just so that this is like an easier way and an easier format for stuff. And then another thing that I want you guys to do is go to Windows, and then go to Preferences, go to General, go to Editors, and then Text Editors, click on it, and then click on Show Line Numbers, and then OK. So now when you open this, open any of these, you should see that you have the numbers on the side now. That just makes it easier so that like if I'm resorting to a specific place in the code, you guys can find it easily. So if I say like line 10, that's over here. And that's basically all you have to do with Eclipse. Now you're like good. Now the first thing that we have to do is set up the mod_file for your mod. So basically you click on this button, which has a C+, which is the new create class. So you do that, and then you type mod, like all lowercase, underscore, and then whatever your mod is. Right now I'll just do tutorial, because it's a tutorial, but say you were making like more items, then you'd put more items, or whatever you want here, basically. Tutorial. Then finish. And then once this is done, you're going to want to go here, make it extends base mod. That's the mod loaders folder for base mod. Now here, see how it's underlined? That means that there's an error, and it shows you two fixes. So one of them is an unimplemented method, and it adds both of these. So basically you need to add the public void load. It'll do it for you, but I like doing it separately. So this is what it should add, right? The string and the public load. So if I get rid of this, I'll just show you so that it's easier to do. So what you want to have is you want to have the, sorry, let me just get to my note. You want to have public void load with two brackets like that, and then you want to have curly bracket and then enter curly bracket, and then below that at the very bottom you want to have public string and then get version with two more of those brackets, enter curly bracket, enter, get that, and then in here you want to put return and then quotation marks. Inside here you can put basically whatever you want. It's just something that mod loader refers to your mod as. So I'll just put tutorial because it's the tutorial, and then you have to end it with a semicolon, and then it should be good. Yep, no errors. Okay, so this mod is basically where you're gonna have like all your declarations and your textures for all the mods that you do, and this is basically the start of our mod series. So I hope you guys enjoy, and next time we'll get started on coding some new blocks. Thanks for watching. If you liked it and thought this was helpful, please like, and if you're really thankful, then subscribe. See you guys next time.